Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to like a video on the youtube.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and click on a video you would like to give a thumbs up to. And here, if you tap on it and scroll down, you are going to find this like button below the title of the video. So tap on it, and if you go back to the previous page by the help of this arrow at the top of the screen, here you can find the like video section in the left side column. So tap on it and the liked video will appear at this section. Here you can delete it by tapping on the three dots icon in the right side and click on the remove from like videos, or you can also add it to queue, save to watch later, or save to playlist. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.